Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to report a YouTube channel. If you are trying to report the entire channel, you will need to head to the channel page on YouTube by searching for the channel name or by clicking on the channel page from one of other videos. Once you are on their page, click on About, then look for the flag to the right of the page. Underneath Stats and select Report User. You will see a window pop up on your page to select your reason for reporting. If you aren't sure what to put here, follow the rest of YouTube steps to include additional information, then submit your report. If you are just trying to report a single video, click on the triple dotted menu icon above the subscription button when playing a video is selected. In the next window, select why you are reporting the video, then click on Next to provide YouTube additional information, including specific timestamps and guidelines violations. Can really help YouTube's mod team determine whether the video should be taken down. Once you are all set, click on the report button to send. If you are trying to report an entire playlist of offensive content, just click on the playlist title to head to the selected page for that playlist. Look for the triple dotted menu underneath the playlist name on the left, then select report playlist. And that's pretty much how you can report a YouTube channel. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.